Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we are getting very close to that 78% Fibonacci retracement that I've been saying is likely going to be an area of resistance. I do think it is going to hit that. Now, whether or not it makes a little bit of a pullback first before it actually goes up and does that, is the question. As long as it doesn't break structure to the downside on the daily, it can definitely go down and still be within an uptrend, making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and making its way up to at least that 78%, which is right around the 155 area. So definitely still overall very bullish. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it looks like it's, found a little bit of resistance. There is definitely a possibility that it does go down, make some sort of a pullback. But like I said, as long as it doesn't break structure on the 4 hour to 1 hour time frame, anything we see to the downside is likely still a pullback within an uptrend. So for me personally, just because the daily time frame is definitely telling us to look for longs still, even if it does go down, I would just ignore that and I would just go long at the end of any pullbacks because these counter trend moves can be very unreliable. It could possibly just push down a little bit, grab this low, and then just go back up. It could go down and grab this low and go back up, or it could possibly just, not even grab any lows and just go up from here, which is why I would still be doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend and then looking at anything I see to the downside as nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.